Indiana and northern Kentucky, including the greater Cincinnati tri-state area. This afternoon, mostly cloudy with showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the mid-80s. South winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ohio County in southeastern Indiana, southern Ripley County in southeastern Indiana, southern Dearborn County in southeastern Indiana, northern Switzerland County in southeastern Indiana, until 3 p.m. At 2:09 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Versailles to 8 miles southeast of Vernon, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Lawrenceburg, Greendale, Aurora, Versailles, Dillsboro, Wilmington, Pleasant, French, Hartford, Fairview, Center Square, Aberdeen, Rexville, Cold Springs, Avonburg, Moorefield, Farmers Retreat, Friendship, Versailles Lake and Kirkus Grove. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a flash flood warning for Ripley County in southeastern Indiana, Dearborn County in southeastern Indiana, until 5:15 p.m. At 2:11 p.m., radar indicated that thunderstorms had produced heavy rain across the warned area. Heavy rain continues to fall with another 2 to 3 inches possible. Runoff from this excessive rainfall will cause flash flooding to occur. Some locations that will experience flooding include Batesville, Lawrenceburg, Greendale, Aurora, Bright, Hidden Valley, Versailles, Milan, Osgood, Dillsboro, Moores Hill, Guilford, Logan, Manchester, Sunman, St. Leon, Holton, West Harrison, Napoleon and Millhausen. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Keep children away from storm drains, culverts, creeks and streams. Water levels can rise rapidly and sweep children away. To report flash flooding, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.